because even though I was using it to numb myself to a very extreme degree, to the degree that a couple of my best friends have been like really worried about you.
Right.
Going through the last weekend, I don't like it. But 2 beds and I'm gone for the rest of the night. So.
Yeah, I'm sure nobody would have wanted to try it. I'm sure no one there would be like,
Ian said that was all in my head. But I'm still saying, but also because weed itself is not addictive, it's the habit of it, right? That's another thing. I'm like, man, it's not that I'm, I mean, I'm sure I'm not a real anxiety friend, but I'm like,